Denmark's King Frederik laid a foundation stone to mark the rebuilding of Copenhagen's historic stock exchange on Thursday, September 26, after the building was largely destroyed by a fire in April. The king attended an event at the remains of the building where he laid the 60 kg foundation stone and a time capsule that is planned to be opened in 100 years. The capsule contains the visions for the future of Danish business from a number of ministers and business leaders, according to Danish media. A fire ripped through the 400-year-old building on April 16, destroying large parts of the historic building. The blaze toppled the spire of the old stock exchange and collapsed a large part of the roof, in scenes reminiscent of the fire that engulfed the Notre-Dame Cathedral in Paris in 2019. The construction work will begin on Monday, September 30 and will take several years.